So this is a shape which is similar to what we did last lesson, the sa, but this is sa, sa. So it has a bit of a deeper sound. You can imagine that head at the top giving a deeper sound from your mouth. So sa, sa. Okay, like you have a heavy voice. So you pronounce sa. So it's similar to the sa, sa, that's sa, with a more hissing sound, lighter sound. And this is sa. Okay, another shape which is similar to this one, but this one has a dot on the top. And this is pronounced do, do. Okay, so again, it's similar to the one that we done a few lessons ago, which is da, da, like a D, da. Okay, but it has a deeper sound, do, do. Okay, the next one is like a hook shape, like a backwards L. So this is la, la, like L, la, la. Okay, the next letter, it looks a bit like the head of a mop, right? Like a mop with a big stick. So this is ma, ma. Okay, so by pronouncing like a M, ma, ma. Okay, these are 4 letters then. So sa, da, la, and ma. Sa, da, la, ma. Okay, let's try it with the dhammas then. So have a go yourself. So su, du, lu, mu. Du, lu, mu. Okay, let's try it with the kasras then. So have a go yourselves. Si, di, li, and mi. Si, di, li, mi. Okay, so those are the sounds of the 3 possible sounds that you can have. Okay, now let's try some random letters then. So let's see if you guys can work these out. Okay, so have a go at pronouncing these letters. Sa, si. So sa, si, ra, and bu. Sa, si, ra, bu. Sa, si, ra, bu. Okay, let's try some more then. This time we'll use a sukoon that we learnt. So try and have a go yourselves at this. Su, su. And ra, and this B sound. So when you put it together, it becomes Rabb. Rabb. So su, su, Rabb. Su, su, Rabb. Okay, so again, here's a few more random letters to have a go at. So have a go yourselves then. So da, da. And this, remember, the 3, so th sound. And then du and ma. So when we join the sukoon together with a da, it becomes death. Death. Like a tha sound, a lisp. Death. du, ma. Okay, let's try one last one then. So again, now slowly what we're going to try and do is try and apply these in the Quran. So first of all, let's add some vowels onto this. And have a go yourselves as well. Try and pronounce them before we go through them. Okay, so here is a, and that's ha, and that's the L sound, and that's the M sound, and that's du. Okay, so L, L, and then the ha and the M, ham, ham, and finally du. So al ham du, al ham du. Right, so now when it's written in the Quran, they won't be written as individual letters. What they usually have is the letters are actually joined up. So let me just show you how you join up letters in Arabic. So you'll get used to this practicing through the Quran. So the la is connected to the ha is connected to the ma, and the ma is connected to the du. Okay, so alhamdu is actually written like this. So this is actually the written form of it when you join it all up together, and with the vowels on top, it's like this. Alhamdu. And let's look in the Quran itself. Let's try to identify it. So if you look at the top, okay, over here, you can see al, ham, and du. Al, ham, du. Okay, and you can actually have a go at this Surah Fatiha. Practice yourselves as well. And inshallah, I hope that